Hello everyone, this is Yaro with Volt Life with Grooming, and today I'm going to talk to you about this very special product of many different uses called Volt Lube. And the reason this is special to me is because you can use this product not only in your beard, but you can also use it in your hair, scalp and skin. It is a blend of natural and organic oils, and in today's video I'm going to do a quick demo for you in my own beard, which is actually pretty dry from salt and sun. I've been surfing for the past couple of days, so it's gonna be a good example for us to see the before and after effects. And also I'm gonna break down to you the benefits of using Volt Lube. So let's start talking about the benefits of using Volt Lube. And like I said previously, I actually use this product not only in my hair and beard, but also in my skin. And one of the reasons why you wanna make sure that it actually works in your skin is because if you wanna have a healthy hair, it starts with healthy skin. And so in this formula, we're using a blend of oils that are fast absorbing and also super light, so they don't feel greasy or tacky. And this blend works together to promote not only healthy hair, but also healthy skin. Volt Lube is a product of so many different uses. I personally use it obviously in my beard when it's actually getting wild, or when the hair is sticking out a lot. So what it does is actually it's going to soften up the hair and kind of lay it out. I also use it when I feel itchiness in my beard, and that actually works because it's moisturizing the skin underneath and gets rid of the itchiness. On top of that, I'm using it on my hands, and you can see I have actually pretty dry hands, especially after working out, because I use bars for working out, so I get a lot of calluses. And it works great because it kind of moisturizes the hands and softens up the skin. And I also use it on my body and even on my face. So instead of actually using a lotion or cream at night, I would use a few drops of Volt Lube. Alright, so right now let's move to the application. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna open this up and I'm gonna put a couple drops in my own palm right here. 1, 2, that's all you need. You don't wanna put too much, you can always add more. Now I'm gonna kind of rub it up like this and work it into the other fingers on my other hand. And then you can start applying it. And you're gonna kind of rub it into your beard inside out to make sure it's actually in it really well. Now I have a very dry beard, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. I did about 3 drops right now. Again, rub it in your palms, your fingers. And you really want to make sure that you're actually putting it in inside and out, so that way it's all in it, nice and neat. Alright, so this is it for the application. I'm really happy with it. It feels awesome. It feels soft, it doesn't feel heavy or greasy or tacky. I can see I got rid of some of that hair sticking out, so it's got a better shape. I could comb it to give it even better shape and then put some beard balm or beard wax in it, but just like it is right now, I'm really happy with it. So guys, you gotta really get your hands on one of these, because this is going to replace a lot of products in your arsenal, not just your beard oils. This can replace actually your lotions and creams as well. And you know what, most importantly, your skin and hair will appreciate it. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure you hit that button down there and subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more videos coming up.